So I've been called to this job for silicone thin coat render. It's not being done properly. I'll go into it on video, but there's everything that could possibly go wrong is wrong with it. You know, your beading's not right. Even though it looks level on this picture, it's not quite level. The splatters all over the floor. It's not sheeted up. It's not covered windows before I started. There's all sorts wrong with it. It's just a mess, and I'm doing this video just to show you, you know, what I'm up against and what I'm going to do to put it right. And this is the part one of the video, where I'm going to link it all together and put a full description on it. So stay tuned for, you know, however many parts it goes through. Thanks for watching. And I'll start at this side. They put the base coat on, and they've not keyed it. And if you look down, all lines are your beading. Even the one above garage, I don't know if you could tell, but that's not level. This end at top here, it's sticking out. And I'm not doing this video to, you know, say they can't do this and they can't do that. It's just to show you that, you know, you need to be trained to be able to do this sort of thing. Silicone thin coat. So as you can see, all these bits here where it's all like missed, it's not being beaded properly. He's like put the finish on, and he's not done that bit here. I've had to reset the beads, so obviously I've just put new beads on top, which I'm ongoing with. He's not put beads on, well, he has put beads on corners, but he's buried them. Same again, he's not finished this bit, so when you put your base coat on that bit and then put your finish on top, it's just never going to look right. And obviously it'll splatter everywhere. Just various bits, you know, it's not sheeted up properly, not covered your bricks up on bottom. So obviously I've got to re-bead all the way around, and just, you know, make it look right. And this area, this is probably the worst bit, is put the silicone thin coat on, and what's happened here is it's put it on too thick, and it's just sort of sagging. There's not had a chance to finish it, so it just needs tidying up. Obviously I need to put a base coat on, a scratch coat, and completely redo it, obviously without taking it off. It's all been meshed with reinforcement mesh, but you know, I might have to put some more on. And as you can see, obviously with this wall is the way you do silicone thin coats. You do all your scratch coat, and then you do your second coat of base coat, and you get it flat, and that needs to be all done before you even put your silicone on top. I don't know if this is being primed, but I'm assuming it has, because primer had been used. Look at this bit here where it's all washed away or whatever, I don't know. All beads are not level around windows, they're not level both ways. So I'm going to have to re-bead all that. Take them pipes off, clean them up a bit. If I show you a little bit closer on this, is sort of put this bead on, and this just isn't level. He's put something in there, I don't know what it is. And there's like a big gap here where it's just, you know, it looks a mess. And this bit where it's all bubbled out, where it's just not being done properly, and obviously there's a little bit on your soffit. And that bead, it just all needs re-beading and just redoing. He's not putting the sheets on floor, not covered anything up, and it's just never going to come up. So if this were a block paved driveway and somebody had done this, it'd be a mess, and obviously you'd have some unhappy customers. So I'm just going to tape it all up, redo it all properly, instead of rambling on, and I'll talk you through it step by step and how I'm going to do it. So I'll see you in a sec on the next part of the video. Thank you.